Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 12 for BCOM 3113. We are on the home stretch of the semester. Let's take a look at what we're going to try to accomplish in this last unit that we're starting. First things first is we are wrapping up the job package by doing this interview stream assignment. If you've never done that before, it's a really helpful service that Career Services offers to you guys. And gives you, if you've never seen yourself, a lot of interviews these days are conducted video interviews or Skype interviews. And so if you've never seen yourself, this is a really eye-opening thing. So I encourage you to take this kind of seriously. You can really help yourself out for any professional experience that you might run into. Then we are starting the last big unit here. And so I've got the last major assignment sheet already posted. It is the informal report. It's not due until December 7, which is a long ways away, so you will tell yourself, I got plenty of time, but I'm giving it to you today for a reason, or this week for a reason, because it takes a long time to do it. We're going to cover chapters 11 and 12 out of your textbook, which is how to write a report, and then you're going to write a report. It's got kind of a report and a proposal kind of mixed together, and it's worth a ton of points. It's worth 15% of your entire course grade. So if you're like on the fence or anywhere near, one letter grade or another, this could easily push you one direction or the other. So chapter 11 lecture, chapter 11 reading, and then start the big assignment at the end. So the biggest thing for me is that I want you to demonstrate that you've progressed as a writer, so I'll be grading this a little bit harder. In terms of grades, I've got almost everything caught up now, so with, of course, the exception, all the stuff that you just turned in yesterday. So I apologize. I got behind this semester. I was doing some traveling for a conference. But again, with this grading intensive and writing intensive course, it always takes me longer than I think, and so I appreciate your patience and understanding. I'm already starting to dive into your job packages, so if you can give me about 2 weeks on that at the most, I'm hoping you will know kind of where you're at going into this last big assignment. And so as always, if I've missed something and you turned it in, I make mistakes all the time, please reach out to me sooner rather than later. So get started on this last big assignment, and let's finish the semester strongly. So if you have any questions, email me as always, and get to work.